Are you trading on Pocket Option but unsure when to enter? One of the biggest mistakes traders make is trading during neutral market conditions. In this video, I'll show you how my technical tool, Turbo Trend FX, detects neutral signals, so you can avoid bad trades and wait for high probability opportunities. This is the technical analysis tool I use all the time. To download it, check the description of this video. Now, let me show you how to use it. First, select the currency pair you want to analyze. Then, connect the tool to the Pocket Option platform. Once connected, click Confirm and let the tool analyze the market automatically. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best performance. All right, I'm going to place a trade now. I'm following the signal shown by the tool. As you can see, the Turbo Trend FX panel is showing a neutral signal. Even though the price is slightly moving down, the market still lacks strong momentum. This means the selling pressure is not strong enough yet. That's why the tool classifies this condition as neutral. Now, let's check the previous trade result.